Sorry.
To bed or aren't you?
What did you say? Sorry.
I didn't say anything.
I mean, first the door handle, now the hot water box.
I can feel goose pimples all over.
Yes, quick, get something around you.
Get the covers over our heads.
Just a moment. What did I do with those sardines? You, wait here.
No.
This one's been extensively modernized throughout. I can hardly see how something creepy would survive, an oil-fired central heating and...
What? What is it? What's happening?
The sardines are gone! No, they haven't. They're here. You put the plate of sardines down for 2 minutes, and the last thing you expect to find, you put the plate of sardines down for 1 minute, and you do expect to find, because that's really weird.
Perhaps there is something funny going on. I'm going to get into bed and put my
because
head
there
on
they are, exactly where I put them.
Bag.
No, they're not.
Bag!
What is it?
It's a bag!
What do you mean, bag? Bag, sardines!
Bag!
Sardines!
Bag!
Sardines! Bag, what bag? No bag?
Your bag's up here, now go!
It's in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. It was in the bedroom, I'll put it back in the bedroom.
Don't go in there!
The box!
The box!
They've both not gone!
Oh, my files!
Oh, what on earth is happening? Where is Mrs. Scratchit? You wait in the bedroom.
No!
At least put your dress on.
I'm not going in there.
I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick, let's get out of here.
Your dress, hey! Your dress has gone.
I'm never going to see Basingstoke again!
Don't panic. There's a perfectly rational explanation for it. Final notice. Steps will be taken. Distress.